If you look at the current price of Bitcoin right now, it's currently around $112,000, right? You remember last week I told you guys that if Bitcoin is not able to move beyond $115,000, most of the alternatives token will start dropping. So this was a trade that we caught on Friday. Now we are targeting 1:3 risk to reward ratio. We are going to look at Bitcoin and Solana, and I'll explain how you can take your trades starting from tomorrow. So if I go to btc.p, then we check out the technical analysis. I always say that anything that you are doing here is your personal opinion. Some people think all these lines that we are drawing can change the market sentiment. The same way you want to make money, someone is also in Nigeria, Australia, Canada, Ghana, they are also trying to earn. So what you need to look at it like a business. You are owning a provision stock. Some days you are going to make profit, some days too people are not going to buy from you. It's just normal. So we are looking at the daily time frame first. So if we look at the daily time frame, we can see that the rejection price of Bitcoin is still around 115,000. So meaning any trade that you are going to take starting from tomorrow, it should be 70% sales, because Bitcoin control 90% of the crypto market. So when Bitcoin start dropping, most of the tokens will also start dropping. So if I click on research chart, like I said, Bitcoin have not been able to cross above the $115,000, meaning anything that we are looking at here is going to be bearish. If you look at the trend line from the daily time frame, so if I click on the trend line section here, then I drag it from the previous high up to this level, we can still say that Bitcoin have not breaking the structure yet. So what I need to do next is I just have to go below 4-hour time frame. Now if you look at the 4-hour time frame, same method happened that was on last week, but we're able to go beyond it, because anytime the price comes to 115,000, it will reject. The reason why the price went up last week was because Donald Trump pardoned the CEO of Binance. And you know the CEO of Binance is one of the most influential people in crypto. I always say that crypto is an attention game, meaning if people are talking positive news about something, the price of the thing will start going up. If people are talking negative news about something, the price of the thing will start going down. So let's use this example. If we check the price of BNB, I always add .p because we are trading perpetuals. So you might be asking, what is perpetuals? Perpetuals are simply prices of tokens that are derived from the original coin, meaning if the value of the coin is going up, you can predict and earn profit. It's just like trading forex, but this one, it doesn't close. Same price scenario that is happening to Bitcoin is currently happening to BNB. But I think like BNB will start to drop starting from next week, because fundamentals doesn't hold the market for long. At the end of the day, it's people perception. So if people think BNB has a future, definitely the price of BNB will start going up. But I want you to also observe something. Have you observed that the price of BNB went from almost $800 last 2 weeks to almost $100 $400? Because people who were trading on Solana meme coins, they started to move to BNB. Now, if a meme coin is created on BNB and the meme coin is able to do well, because of the market cap, when it's built on BNB ecosystem, it will cause the price of BNB to go up. It's just like when Solana was currently trending and Donald Trump decided to create his meme coin on Solana. You observe that the price of Solana started going up. That's the same momentum that is happening to BNB now. Now BNB is getting a lot of traction. I always say that when people start to talk about a token, that's the time that you start to take profit. Okay, you want to be in fast and out fast, meaning you get the token when people are not talking about it, and you go out when people are about to talk about it, or when people are already started talking about it. When we look at Asta, that was on Binance Dex, right? For these particular exchanges, these ones are now the new form of trading. Like if I'm in Dubai and I want to trade cryptocurrencies, I will have to verify my identity to use either Bybit, Binance or OKX. But now with these particular exchanges, this kind of DEX exchanges, decentralized DEX exchanges, you just have to have a wallet address. Maybe you can connect your Trust wallet, you can connect your CoinMarketCap or any other wallet that you have and is having cryptocurrencies to start trading. So Asta went from almost 0.5 cent at the launching to $2.40. Then within 1 month, it dropped again. Yesterday, I did a video about it. You can go and check it on my profile. The reason here is I even explained that when people are creating a crypto project, they do something we call listening, exchange listening and marketing. Now, when the token is listed, people will cash out their profit. And when they remove their initial investment, you see the price of the tokens going down. So the reason why BNB is currently trending and going up is because people are trading meme coins on BNB and they are buying a lot of BNB meme coin tokens. So meaning a lot of inflow of money is going into BNB. Like I said, if I am going to trade this coming week, any token that I see, I'm going to be selling it. We have a community here in Dubai where we trade together. So if you have been struggling to make money for the past 4 or 5 years, I'm sure with our community, I sometimes share trading signals. So you can even earn passive income just by using the formula or the strategy that I've discovered. I always say that you can be trading for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and all of a sudden, just 2 or even 3 people will just guide you through on how to trade and you start earning passive income. So if you have any issues, you can update me. This was just a market analysis for the week coming. Like I said, any token that I'm going to be trading, I'm going to be selling it.